and I'm a final year student from IT department. I have applied for Armed Forces, Indian Navy as well as Army, and they had asked me to submit my document, mark sheet, proof of passing by or before the 1st of October. Goa University releases on 27th of September, and I have to submit this physically at headquarters in Delhi. So I request them to declare the result earlier so that I can proceed smoothly this procedure.
So for us, even to go abroad or to complete our masters and get our certificates, we do not get it on time. So we have to go for the 2027 intake, even though we graduate in 2026. So we have to wait a whole year to go for masters abroad or even in India. Even foreign agencies, when you go to consult, they tell us beforehand that because we are studying engineering under Goa University, it is mandatory that we wait for a year and get a job and then go abroad. But even because our results are released so late, we cannot go for off-campus jobs because other companies outside Goa ask for our certificates and before we join. So unless we get an on-campus job, no one can really start working after 6 months of graduating, even though we graduate in June.
फायनल इयर स्टुडंट्सां बरा राय वेरियस कॉलेजी भुरगे आज एकठांय जाल्ले बट वो आखो गोंयचे जे फायनल इयरा जे रिजल्ट येवपा आहाय जे भुरग्यांगेले जे येतले म्हूण सांगिल्लो ऑन द 27th of September. So this is a topic where we are one side we are talking about career guidance, ensuring that students should be guided well, students should get proper jobs. All these things are going on. QR code share केलो आहाय सगळे एक आटीन गव्हर्नमेंट करता आनी एक आटीन one side declaring the results on the 27th of September with what understanding 27 September result out केल म्हणटी जे भुरगे आपल्या गेले मुखावेर फर्दर स्टडीज करपाय कोणा इंडियन आर्म फोर्सिसान जॉइन जावपाचो कोणा मुखार तेंगे मास्टर्स करपा जाय. सो हे गव्हर्नमेंटा खबर ना की 27th September रिजल्ट येवन मास्टर्स करूं जाता. आर यू नॉट अवेअर or you are just not trying to take your dates behind? So I think we've got a few students here. They will express what they want from the government. And is this required that we have to express ourselves? Don't you know planning has to be done in this kind of a manner every academic year? Why it has to be different every year? So we would like to hear them out. I think they can speak.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, I'm Shams. I'm from the ECS department at Goa University. So every year the Goa University will release the results in the month of August. But this year they have released at the end of, they're planning to release at the end of September. Not the first week, second week, end of September. This is a very big issue because it's affecting students who are applying for masters, getting job off-campus placements. We did contact the controller of the examination, the person who's in charge for all of this. And his response was the students can apply in the next intake next year. So I don't understand how it is okay for them to tell us to wait 6 more months, sitting at home unemployed, waiting for the results, but they will not release it even a month earlier, even after we have just 3 subjects and not 6-7 subjects like the remaining semesters. We were told that the results will be released sequentially, first year first, then second and third, then fourth. We have no provision as final year students, so we are demanding provision for us and that the results be declared by August at least.
Out that 27 September final year results is not a date. We need to have these results out well before 1 month before that. So I think August mid is the ideal time. Our request to the Goa government, we will also try to get an appointment with the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and we will request him. We will take a delegation of all the students of the final year from various universities and colleges. And I think we don't need to do this. Through this message, हे मेसेजी वयल्यान म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टरान डिपार्टमेंटाक उलोवन सगळें एकठांय करून ही डेट बेगीन मुखार रिजल्टा डेट हाडपाची गरज आसा. एवरी टायम गोईंग एंड नॉकिंग द डोर्स एजिटेशन करून फायदो ना. एट द एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्पॉयल 1 full year. जे भुरगे भायर वचपा सोदताय, इंडिये भायर वचपा सोदताय, एडमिशन्स करूं सोदताय, तेमकां सप्टेंबरान रिजल्ट मेळटा ते हे वरस पावपा नाय आनी मास्टर्स करूं सोदताय. आमी काटी मुठाय अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आहा आणि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आसोन आम जरी तरी परत वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सपोर्ट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ मॅनर. आय थिंक इट इज टोटली नॉट जस्टिस टू द चिल्ड्रन एज वेल एज इज बॅड प्लॅनिंग. So I think the department needs to do this planning. They know that every year if this happens, this is going to be a problem. And Zana Astoish Korab, I think it is wrong. So our request to the Honorable Chief Minister over this medium that to make the necessary changes. Besides this, we will also make sure that a delegation goes to the Honorable Chief Minister. We will take an appointment and try to address this issue, because the faster they get an assurance, they are able to make sure they gather the prospectus, get the banking guarantees that are required, put things in place so that the next career path can be organized.